We all look at reality differently. That we discovered with our filter mechanism. Constructive means have, or intend to have a useful or beneficial purpose. A person that understood very well how to live this was James Stockdale. Currently, he is known for the Stockdale paradox. Stockdale was treated badly by his captors and never had much reason to believe he would ever survive or see his family again. Still, Stockdale never lost faith during his ordeal. In his words, "I never doubted, not only that I would get out, but also that I would prevail in the end and turn the experience into the defining event of my life, which, in retrospect, I would not trade." While Stockdale had remarkable faith in the unknown, it was always the most optimistic prison inmates who failed to make it out alive. In his words, "They were the ones who said, 'We're going to be out by Christmas,' and Christmas would come, and Christmas would go. Then they'd say, 'We're going to be out by Easter,' and Easter would come, and Easter would go. And then Thanksgiving, and then it would be Christmas again. And they died of a broken heart." What both the optimists and the pessimists see is only a part of reality. Stockdale took a different approach. He kept his faith, and at the same time, confronted the brutal facts. This is what most constructive people do when they look at the whole reality. For this, it's important to understand the 3 dimensions to be constructive. We say a coin has 3 sides, corresponding to 3 dimensions of reality. The positive, the negative, and the facts. Let's take a well-known example. You could say the glass is half full. You could say the glass is half empty. And you could say the glass contains 50 cc of water. All are true, and we can have a tendency to exaggerate the one we focus on. Being constructive means having a fair judgment by including all 3 dimensions of reality. For you as a manager, this is important for performance measurement, decision-making, and when a change is being implemented. In these situations, we can face difficulties because we look at the situation from the side we have a natural tendency to focus on, plus or minus. We simply don't see the other side of the coin. How often do you have the tendency to exaggerate one of these dimensions? What is the consequence of that pattern? To overcome this obstacle, have a look at the facts. The facts can help you to have a more objective look at reality. The questions you can ask yourself are: what happened concretely? What evidence do you have? What are your sources? In a lot of situations, the negative takes over straight away. It is difficult to look at the positive side. With positivism, though, you create trust, comfort, and unleash energy. Therefore, imagine the positive first, and never forget to look at the facts to have a constructive attitude towards reality.